Orisha fam, and welcome back to In the Shop with Orisha Botanical. Today I'm whipping up a 5-pound loaf of Oya's Blackberry and Sage Artisan soap, so stick around and watch me do my thing. The fragrance oil that we use here at Orisha Botanical to make Oya's Blackberry and Sage is none other than Blackberry and Sage by Nature's Garden Candle. This fragrance features top notes of blackberry, mid notes of white sage, and these really clever base notes of rose and allspice that all combine together to make a perfect fragrance for springtime. This month, Oya's Blackberry and Sage will be a drop swirl with 3 different pigments, all from nurturesoap.com. The first pigment is Purple Vibrance. Next is Ultraviolet. And finally, I'm going to swirl those 2 beautiful purples with Bronze Brown Mica. Now that all 3 of our pigments are incorporated into our soap batter, I'm going to scrape these buckets, move them off to the side, give my table a good wiping, and grab our 5-pound loaf mold. just leave that beautiful swirl alone, but I gotta put these gorgeous pea flowers on top of the soap. Every single bar will get at least one flower. I want those flowers to stand out just a little more, so I'm using this little mica duster to put some gold mica on top and make them really shimmer. And here's the glamour shot of Oya's Blackberry Sage. We're gonna take a break, get some sleep, and bring you back to the shop tomorrow morning to slice her into bars. The moment we've all been waiting for, Oya's Blackberry Sage on the inside. Thanks for sticking around to watch me make Oya's Blackberry Sage Artisan Soap. She'll be available to purchase next month, July, at www.orishabotanical.com. In the meantime, have fun, soak up some sun, and we'll catch you next Friday. Bye!